YouTube? It's Jess, and I am doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway video. Yes, my channel has made it to 2,000 subs thanks to all of you wonderful people. I really appreciate it. When I first started my channel, I never thought that it would ever get this far. I honestly kind of figured maybe 150 people max would want to watch me build models and have fun in my shed, but wow, 2,000 subs is really quite the feat. I am so grateful and so thankful for everybody who has supported my channel and watched my videos and commented and laughed with me and gave me tips, and it's just been such a fun journey and I can't wait to see it continue. So with that being said, I wanted to do a little giveaway for you guys. All right, calm down, but I have here this empty Coke Zero bottle, and if you guys just share my I'm just kidding. I am totally kidding. I am not giving away a Coke Zero bottle. But what I am giving away is this awesome 69 Camaro. It is a 1/12 scale, big scale Camaro. It is a Z28 1969. This is a fierce kit, guys. It's a large kit. It's super cool. I can't wait to see who actually wins this. In order to enter my giveaway, I would ask that all of you go ahead and like and share this video. You can share this video on Instagram, you can share this video on Facebook, you can share it anywhere that's social media, just as long as you take a screenshot of it and you send it to me. You can send it to me via my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, email, whatever works best for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put all of those things in the description down below. But yeah, in order to enter this giveaway for this monster kit, all you have to do is share this video, give it a like, and go ahead and screenshot that to me and let me know. With that being said, thank you guys all for 2,000 subs. This is crazy. It's so surreal. I'm so thankful. And I hope that all of you have a wonderful weekend. Bye!